Yeah. There are countless examples of what can happen when you include a Jamaican into some foreign activity. As me telling already, like as Jamaicans, we just bring like a different vibe. No matter where they, no matter what we are doing, the vibe just different what we bring. As soon as you put a Jamaican in it, it get twisted and just become so totally hilarious or just full of vibes. You can't help but just imagine a Jamaican in certain places. For example, the Illuminati. Now whether or not you believe say they exist, me not care, me not go down that road there, we don't know. Alright? But the other day I see them circulate something about how bolt, free bolt it, the bolt where we know they in a Illuminati. See? Fuckery. Anyways, as me say, nah go down the road. Bolt can't in a Illuminati. No Jamaican can't in a Illuminati. First thing, we late. Every meeting where them have, we are go late for that. Tell Debbie say sister Becky I got to the fire for 5 pound chicken. Yeah, take one of 5 pound chicken them out of Ras. Damn phone back. Sorry, me late. As one time I know me do that play down there, so and that 6 love they want give me. And me get up when you reach 5. And they tell me say me can't left. So me tell you one dirty Jonas because the moment. And that's why I'm reading. Hey, you see who they wanna give me? Me not really like you know. Me just buy one of my own thing, cause I don't know say it's swag if it turn up. Anyway, what going on? And in the little meeting, they probably have a little chanting or something. And if you any type of beat or nothing, as long as there's a pulse, leave it up to a Jamaican to transform that pulse into a rhythm. Wanna say a praise time? Alright. I've put on. Straight jeans and fitted. In a white t-shirt, we did it. We rocked it. Straight. Sorry. I mean, you say in the Illuminati, right? They promise you certain riches. Now, you know how it go when you owe a Jamaican and you not get the money. If you promise him something, you better deliver. Bob, you man say, you tell me say me fi join, see? Me join. You say you gonna give me 30,000. No, me not get 30,000 here. Yo, me we burn down this blood clot if me not get my money, you know? Me we burn it down. You think I joke me I make? Yo, Father Rabala, I feel here first me I set a fire. You saw it dry? Me want my money. The money you wanna promise me want it. It is alleged that they drink blood in the Illuminati. I do not know these things. I'm just saying what I have heard. No Jamaican in their right mind nah go drink no blood. Boss, wine, them a drink it. What is? But you me no want no blood. Where you gonna blood we drink for? What kind of blood? Hot blood? Bossy, me no eat pork. You know no Kool-Aid back there. Kool-Aid. We not drink blood, bossy. Kool-Aid. Sugar water. Nothing. One red stripe. Not even Guinness. Little carrot juice. Bossy, me no. Yo, yeah, man. After me no Jahkno. Give you one buckle of blood here, man. No blood to drink. It is also alleged that they sacrifice people. Now the only sacrifice we know about chicken, goat, cow, hog. Them they are sacrifice we know about. What you say me have a sacrifice? Who me have a sacrifice? It no matter. Because Dirty Charlie owe me $15,000 for last year and now we not getting me that gladly sacrifice him to get so much. So me have a sacrifice somebody close to me. How close? Like my mother. Hear me ask. Go sacrifice for your mama and move you up. Now after that the topic there, and on to another one. Imagine a Jamaican in hell. God forbid any Jamaican go into hell, except for somebody politician there. But can you imagine what it would be like if a Jamaican was in hell? Hey, tell Jesus say next week, Emma Lazarus I get 6 love. What are we? Oh, down here so cool. Bossy, I Jamaican install AC. Send back the Jamaican. They send him back. We talk about hell, so it's only right that we imagine what it would be like if a Jamaican was in heaven. You know what? I'm not playing another game with Satan, you know. That man is too thief, you know, son. Every time we go play that. But look at this. Oh my God. Jesus. Who planted all of the ganja tree them out there so? Daddy, I Jamaican them where you can't come up here and plant them round there so. Jesus, is that smoke coming from your room? Oh Lord have mercy. And while we are in the heavenly atmosphere, imagine what it would be like if a Jamaican go space. You know, say the entire vibe of that mission is going to be different. From the launch unto the very landing on the moon itself is going to be something to watch. Launch in 5. Hold on there, Houston. Houston, we have a problem. That's what you want to make me put on, you see? Which farm me piss through?
Launch in 5.
Houston, we have a problem. Yeah, we have a problem. Guess what? We there, I know, but they can't find a Rizzler.
Launch in 5, 4, 3.
Houston, we have a problem.
What is it now, god damn it?
I joke, man, we don't have a problem. I wrap me around with it now.
3, 2, 1. We have liftoff.
Boom, driver! Don't stop at all!
Yeah, we reach a space. Take what you say. Hello, Gary, I bet you not guess what me there. Upon the moon, me there, you know, girl. Get back some moon dust for you, you know. One small step for mankind. One big split for humanity. Houston, we have a problem. Me left me lighter. Can't find me lighter.
That's all I can imagine for now. Until then, this is Kevin Too Crazy. You like the video, you share the video. It helps. It really does help. It helps. Thank you. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. I know you're not do it yet, but you gotta do it. Come on, say.
Yes, man.